Hello and welcome all my dear 3rd standard little champs. Once again you all are welcome to science lecture. My dear little champs, how have you been? I hope you all are good, and I hope that whenever you are watching my lecture you are also watching it and communicating with me as if you are in the live classroom. See, every time I must observe and I must give you the time in which you are able to write down, you are able to speak, you are able to guess the correct answer. So these are the things which I necessarily keep in my lecture so that you will be able to enjoy this lecture thoroughly. My dear little champs, now as I was just making the list of the regular students, I have decided a few names, those who are regularly sending me the work. So within a day or two the certificates will be displayed on the screen, on your TV screen, on your mobile screens. So be ready, and also please make sure if you are not sending the homework regularly, please do it, so that next time when I display, I will be able to display your name too. In fact, I want to display the name of all the class students, not only of one. So it all depends on your end now, how much regular you are. So my dear students, welcome once again in the science lecture. What have we done in the previous lecture? If you have watched the lecture properly, you must be knowing that we started solving the worksheet of chapter 9, our body, in which first worksheet we have solved. Like I said that there are two worksheets. Not only that, but also there is one test paper which perhaps we will solve soon, and I am planning to solve the test paper in the way that on the first lecture you will get the questions and on the second lecture you will get the solutions. Now what are we going to do today? Today also we are going to do the same thing, chapter 9 worksheet solving. So today we are going to display the second worksheet on the screen and you will have to solve it with me. Again let me tell you, many of you have not sent me the photo of the previous worksheet as well. Please make sure that you send it sooner or later, at least you will have to send it, so that I can consider your name in the consistent student. So let's get started with chapter number 9 worksheet solving. First of all, you know what things are needed in my lecture: your textbook, your rough book and your pencil. Obviously your brain also will be needed here. Only when you are present mentally will you be able to solve the questions given here. So I hope you all are ready. I'll give you a while time to be ready with all your books. My dear little chums, please make sure that you have to write the answer. Now in this worksheet, the first exercise is of labeling the diagram, which you will not be able to do in your rough notebook. Don't you worry, because though you will not be able to do in your rough book, I am going to send you the PDF file which will contain just the questions. That means later if you want to take out the printout of the same PDF, you will be able to do that and you will be able to solve it in the hard copy. So yes, I am going to provide you this facility, but this is only possible if you are interested in that, and then it should not be like that in the exam, that when you read the question it seems like very new to you. So yes, this time I may ask you the questions which are out of your textbook. That means topic will be of the textbook, but the questions will be of the worksheet. So please make sure that you watch all the lectures regularly. Now I am going to display the worksheet on the screen. Before that, I hope that you all are now ready with whatever stationery stuff is needed, and the format will be like, you have to just write the answers as we always do. Obviously answer number should be clearly mentioned. So my dear students, now as you can see on your screen, this is worksheet 2 of chapter 9. Please give the heading in your rough notebook, worksheet 2 chapter 9. So in this you have to label the various parts of the digestive system. So if you are having the textbook, take out page number 9090, in which digestive system topic is given, where on the right hand side of the same page labeled diagram is also given. So I hope you all are ready to label it. Now as you know that you don't have this diagram, I even know that you do not have this diagram in your rough notebook, neither can you draw it within the fraction of seconds. What will you do? You will just write answer 1, answer 2, answer 3 and likewise. So I hope you all are ready now. Let us label this diagram. So the first arrow goes towards here. So which part is this? Is this a tongue? No, the arrow is towards the mouth. First part we will write down the answer. Mouth. So the first box goes to here, mouth. Okay. Then second box goes towards here. Can you see the arrow? Where is arrow pointing? Just think about it. Answer 1 should be mouth. I hope you all have written in your rough notebook. Now what is answer number 2? Where is this arrow pointing? It is pointing something like a pipe structure. So what do you think? What part is this of digestive system? Again, if you are having the textbook, you will be able to easily identify. So this is food pipe. This is food pipe. Now next one. Now this one is bit confusing because many students have made the mistakes in this. Here actually in your textbook 2 labels are given. One is stomach, one is liver. But you should know that which point is stomach and which point is liver. So liver is not of this shape. Liver comes on this side. So what is this? Obviously stomach. So we will write here stomach. Okay. Now what is this? Can you see something like it is very much messy? So what exactly is this? This is intestine. So intestines. I will write it here because there is no space in the box. And the last body part, which body part is this? Just look at the diagram in your textbook. It is called anus, from where you throw out your waste, body waste. So we have labeled this diagram. Now first question is over. We have done with the first question. Let us see the second question. That is question B. Now as you can see on your screen, this is question B. In question B, what do you have to do? Identify the following. So it is a kind of one word answer as we were solving. You will have to identify by reading the definition lines given which part it is. I hope you all are ready. Now here my dear students, please give the heading in your rough notebook. Question B, identify the following. I hope you all are giving the heading properly. Give the heading question B, identify the following. Okay, I hope that you have given the heading now. Okay, so I'll give you 3 to 4 seconds for each question to answer. You will have to try first time to answer it by yourself. Otherwise, after 4 seconds, I will write the correct answer on the screen. I hope you will like this game. So let's play it. I hope that you have written the heading now. Let's get started. Number 1. We are the smallest unit of living being. We are the smallest unit of a living being. Now I am going to give you 4 seconds. I will count 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Did you get the answer? If yes, then please check your answer. If no, then please write the correct answer. The correct answer anyways is cells. So we are the smallest unit of the living being, that is cells. This is on very second page of your textbook. Clearly it is written that cells are the smallest unit. Number 2, I give shape and form to your body. Again students, please try to think and find the answer. I will give you 4 seconds. I give shape and form to your body. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you got the answer. So the correct answer is skeletal system. Skeletal system. Skeletal system gives the shape and form to the body, also protects our body to get injured. So skeletal system is the correct answer. Please write it down. If you are not writing it by your own, at least write it down from the screen. Make sure answer number should be correct whenever you are noting it down. Number 3, I give instructions to all the body parts of your body. I give instructions to all the parts of the body. So which is that part? Your 4 counting time starts now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so which part gives the instruction to all the parts of the body? The correct answer is brain. Brain gives instruction to all the parts of your body. So brain is the correct answer. Number 4, I am an organ system that helps to clean your body. Okay, now this is bit confusing. You will have to think about the answer. I am an organ system that helps to clean your body. So your time starts now. Start thinking the answer. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the correct answer is digestive system. Digestive system. Okay, I hope that you too have written the same. If you have not written, I hope that at least you are writing the answer now. And the fifth and the last one in question B, I am an organ system that helps in producing young ones. Okay, now which system helps in producing the young ones? Means the babies. Please think about the answer. You have 4 seconds from now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope you got the answer. So the correct answer is reproductive system. We will just write reproductive here. So I am an organ system that helps in producing young ones, reproductive system. 5 answers are here right in front of you on the screen. For all the 5, fill in the blanks. I hope that you were writing the answers with me. I also hope that you got the answers before I displayed it on the screen. If so, then you have really watched the video lecture of explanation and you have read the chapter. If you are not getting the answers, that means you had not watched the video lectures properly. Now moving on to the next question, question C. Tick the correct answer. So here MCQ type questions are there, that is multiple choices question. For each question multiple choices will be given and you will have to select the correct option. So my dear students, I hope you all are ready to solve it. First of all, I request you all to give the proper heading. Question C, tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Please give the heading C, tick the correct answer. You again have to write just the answers. No question, no options, nothing. You will have to just write the correct answer. And yes, answer number should be properly given. One more thing students, when you write answer 1, for example, mouth is correct answer, then you will write answer 1, D, mouth. So this way you will write properly the answers, so that once you get this PDF of question, you will be able to choose the correct answer. You will be able to take the test of yourself. Whatever you want to do with that stuff, you will be able to do it very easily. Please make sure heading and everything should be properly given. Let's get started. Number 1. Food is mixed thoroughly in the option A, food pipe, option B, intestine, option C, stomach, or option D, mouth. I will give you 5 seconds to choose the correct option. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I hope you have selected the correct option. The smart and the intelligent students, I guarantee they have already chosen the correct option. So the correct answer anyways is stomach. Stomach is the part or the place where the food mixes thoroughly. So stomach is the correct answer. I hope you too have written the same. Number 2. A dash is made up of many similar cells. Again, this answer itself is there on the second page itself. Not only that, but also in the previous lecture in worksheet number 1, we have solved and got the answer for the same, though the question was in twisted manner. So a dash is made up of many similar cells. Options are here: A, organ, B, tissue, C, system, or is it D, organism? Please try to choose the correct option. I will give you 5 seconds now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I hope you have chosen the correct answer. A dash is made up of many similar cells. So tissue is the correct answer. Okay. So a tissue is made up of many similar cells. Number 3. The system that gives shape and protects the inner body parts. So which system gives the shape to the body and also protects the inner body part? I hope you remember we were solving the same thing in the previous question, question B. Anyways, the options are A, muscular, B, digestive, C, skeletal, or is it D, breathing? Which system gives the protection to the inner body part? Your time of 5 seconds starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the correct option is skeletal. Skeletal system gives the shape and form to the body, also protects our inner part of the body from getting injured, from any serious deep injuries. So, skeletal system is the correct answer. Number 4, which is the last question of question C. Brain is the part of. So, my dear students, throughout this chapter, body parts are divided and given the working space according to the system. Different systems have the different body parts engaged in the same purpose of activity. Here they have asked the brain is part of which system? Options are A, nervous system, B, skeletal system, C, circulatory system, or is it D, muscular system? I hope you will try to select the correct option only. Again, if you are having the textbook, you will be able to find the answers easily by looking at the diagrams and the pictures given in the textbook chapter. So, brain is the body part of nervous system. Okay, so this is the correct answer, nervous system. This way we found the answers for all MCQ in this worksheet. Now coming on to question and answers. So, my dear students, these are the question answers in which you will have to write the answers, not the questions, because these are the revision ones. So, you will have to just remember the content and not the question. Question may be twisted, maybe in any tricky way it might be asked. Let's get started. Give the heading question and answers. On the new page, obviously, please give the heading question and answers. Only 3 to 4 question and answers are there, which I thought is necessary to get you recall of the chapter. So, question 1. What is an organ system? Isn't it very easy question, students? What is an organ system? Answer is here. Please start writing the answer, students. Answer. A group of organs forms an organ system. Now, this is, you know, that cells makes the tissue, tissue makes an organ, organs together makes the organ system, and organ system together makes the organism. This way the hierarchy or ascending order is there, in whichever way you will be able to remember it. So, a group of organs forms an organ system. Example, digestive system. Now, in bracket I have written it is made up of mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, intestine and anus. So, these all are the parts, these all are the organs included in the digestive system. So, it is said that group of organs. So, stomach, food pipe, intestine, mouth, anus, these all makes the group of organs which forms the organ system of digestive system. I hope that you have written the answer now. A group of organs forms an organ system, that is the main answer, and in the next paragraph it is just an example. Moving on to question 2. What does the skeletal system do? Now, what is the role of skeletal system? This we have repeated twice in question B and question C. So, what does the skeletal system do? Please start writing the answer, students. Skeletal system gives shape and form to our body and also protects body parts from getting injured. As simple as that. It gives the shape and form to our body and protects our body parts to get injured. So, this is the answer. Please start writing it. There are 206 bones in the human beings. So, with the help of which skeletal system is made. It is a kind of cage, it is a kind of protection for our body, for the inner parts of the body. I hope that you have written the answer. Number 3. What are the parts of the respiratory system? Please start writing the answer. Now, what are the parts of respiratory system? Respiratory system is already there in your textbook on page number 90, just below the digestive system. So what are the parts? There are only three parts: the nose, the windpipe and the lungs. Please write it down. These are the three parts of respiratory system with the help of which we can breathe in the oxygen. We can inhale and exhale, in short. I hope you have written the answer, and the last question is, define digestion and what are the parts of digestive system? Start writing the answers quickly, students. Answer is, the process of changing the food into substances that our body can use is called digestion. So when you eat the food, different parts of the body develops because it takes in the vitamins and the minerals from the food we eat. So when the changing the process of food into the substance our body can use, that process is called digestion. Only when the food is digested, it will be able to get inside the every part of the body and give us the advantage of the same. So the parts are mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, intestine and anus. So these are the parts of digestive system. As it is asked in a question, we will have to write the answer. I hope that you have started writing it. Okay. So with this, students, I end my today's lecture. Thanks all my dear students for watching my lecture thoroughly and enjoying the theory part. Please keep sending your work to the follow-up teachers. Take care of your health. Goodbye.